Hey there, fellow gardeners. This is Master Gardener Steve from the Celtic Farm. Today I'm diving into a gardening topic that's been around for centuries but seems to provoke some doubt in gardeners: the value of wool as a garden amendment. As a master gardener, I love to dive into perceived myths and truths to present research facts and give you the best info I can on specific gardening topics. As an organic gardener, I strive for natural solutions, and this wool topic was right up my alley, and the research surprised me. Let's explore why and discover the facts. In my research, I found that wool isn't just for sweaters. It's a natural powerhouse of nutrients. Wool is a natural fiber made primarily of keratin, the protein found in human hair and nails. Its unique structure includes overlapping scales that protect the fiber and a spiral cortex that gives the wool its elasticity and insulating properties. This composition makes wool durable and ideal for various uses, from clothing to gardening. It's packed with nitrogen, potassium, and sulfur, the building blocks for healthy plants. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, wool releases these nutrients slowly, ensuring a steady supply for your garden. Research conducted by the Cornell University Department of Horticulture found that wool contains approximately 2% nitrogen, 1% potassium, and 0.5% sulfur. This natural nutrient composition makes it an ideal choice for organic gardening. In fact, if you look at the screen, you'll see a label from my wool pellets, I should say. This is a compressed form of wool that has about 5 times the mentioned nutrient content and is easier to store and apply. Wool's benefits extend beyond nutrition. It's a fantastic mulch. It helps retain moisture, which is critical during dry spells in the weather. Plus, it suppresses weeds, giving your plants a fighting chance to thrive. A study published in the Journal of Sustainable Agriculture found that wool mulch can reduce water evaporation by as much as 25% more than compared to traditional mulches like straw or wood chips. But it gets better. Wool can also improve soil health and structure. It helps to aerate the soil, allowing roots to breathe and access nutrients more easily. In addition, wool fibers can hold up to 30% of their weight in water. I've had great success using wool pellets as a soil amendment. They've helped improve the structure of my heavy clay soil, making it easier for plants to grow. The University of Minnesota Extension Service found that using wool pellets in heavy clay soils resulted in a 30% increase in water infiltration and a 20% reduction in soil compaction. As a master gardener, sustainability is my top priority. Wool is a game changer in this regard. It's a renewable resource and completely organic, unlike many synthetic fertilizers and pesticides that are out on the market. According to the EPA, using wool as a gardening material can reduce your carbon footprint by as much as 15% compared to using synthetic materials. Ready to give wool a try? Here's some tips. Use it as mulch. You can apply it and spread wool around your plants to retain moisture and suppress those weeds. For compost, you can add wool to your compost pile to improve the nutrient content and decomposition. As a soil amendment, you can mix wool pellets into your soil for better water retention and aeration. As it turns out, wool in the garden is not a myth, but it's a hidden gem that can provide benefits to your garden ecosystem. It's sustainable, nutrient-rich, and can benefit your plants and the environment. So why not give it a try? Your garden will thank you. Want to learn more about wool and gardening? Leave a comment below, or if you have experience with wool, leave a comment and help everybody learn. There's links in the description, and as always, happy gardening.